Hello guys, this is LukeJ62895's speaking. Today we're doing an unboxing video for not one thing that I got at Best Buy today. And we have this thing, VidBOX, Video Conversion Suite. Well, we were going to show you the front, the side, and another side, because instead of the back, probably because the surprises of, well, no info was because of info, because we're not showing the info because it's private. And let's see what's inside there, shall we? Ooh! It may be true that we get something, yo. So let's see what's inside that. I think we have one thing, and that is this thing. That was a red, yellow, white, and plugins, you know. That's gonna be necessary. We got this that comes along the way, along with a disc that says product key be unnecessary, blah blah, and the big one. We got something inside of that. It's the VidBOX. We're going to show you that right now. It is this VidBOX, so it's small enough to purchase. There you go. Anyways, before we be wrapping up this unboxing video, we're going to show you a setup for this main reasons for the YouTube video that I have to get via ScreenFlow. But for now, I hope you enjoy the setup via ScreenFlow and hope we wrap things up. I'll see you there. Hello guys, this is LukeJ speaking. From all of us here at the LukeJ62895's LLC. Stay tuned for the next episode of Friday's LukeJ62895 coming this Friday, which is about Happy Belated 4th, and it's gonna be about the special 4th of July special, which will be happening on 4th of July weekend. And of course, you're gonna be seeing a 969 video coming today, and of course some tribute to Last Surviving Star, which I have to see that right now currently, who celebrates 101st birthday, Olivia D. of Land. She also did The Adventures of Robin Hood, but who would have been 101 today. But then again, that first came out in 1939, Gone with the Wind, and stuff like that. Also, be on the lookout for another episode of Friday's LukeJ62895. We're going to talk about stuff for celebrating 10 years of my main YouTube channel from 2007 July 8th to July 8th 2017. So be on the lookout for that. And of course, on July middle of July, we're gonna celebrate the 1,000th video on my LukeJ62895's YouTube channel. Be on the lookout for that. Anyways, more commercial breaks will be coming soon, but for till then, see you there. Bye for now. Hang on. Okay, fake call. Welcome back to the VidBOX unboxing video, and today we're going to show you my CD-ROM that I have today. And so far we got this VidBOX that I have inside that we saw in the unboxing video. And we got the Dragon to install this thing, you know what I mean, to do that. So there you go. So that way I'm going to record this whole footage to install that whole thing. So that way I can figure this out here. I mean, why the heck not do this, you know? Just saying. I'm going to be installing this so that way it can be finishing up that way. It depends. Let me check on Brandon and see what he's up to. Wait until, yeah. Yes, I will be around for that when I get done with a unboxing and setup video for my software I use. Okay, fine. And I'll be on. Okay, anyway, right after the Skype call, we're going to need to prepare for Brandon right after this. It depends. But, in any case, let's get this started. Once we get this thing downloaded, I'm going to get prepared for downloading some things and see if this works. If so, I'll be happy to be downloading this, like, the first step, maybe. It depends. If I can do this, that'll be fine. If not, then I can do that. Yes, so that way I can at least download the first two. Yeah, I haven't done the second step. I haven't done the first step yet. It depends. But, yeah. I'll have to continue. Let me see here. Come on. It's still loading. Sorry, everyone. This might be taking me a while. A while later. You guys. Oh, there we go. Installing type. There we go. Install. I don't want to show you my password because it's private. There we go. I got it. Well, I'm going to be uploading this by the time I did not want to show you my password. So, there we go. I'm here to have this ready. So, there you go. And that'll be it for me. Yeah, because all you're seeing is just my name, and that's about it. Because I'm thinking my Mac is just doing this, and that's about it, period, you know? And let's see if it's thing is going to be open by the time this happens. Oh, okay, fine, close. And we already done these, this is going to be my setup for today. Let's see if it's being opened, shall we? Not, then, well, we're going to wrap things up in a little bit. But for now, I have to wait. I'm waiting on Brandon to get on Skype. Right after that, I'm getting prepared for a video that I need to get prepared for, you know? I'm just saying, you know? Okay. Let me at least, do that and get prepared and starts with the Vivo. which is VidBOX, but it depends. Let me see, VidBOX, there we go. I got it. It should be running anytime now. Oh my god. Let me just, yeah. Let me see if it opens. We'll wrap up this video. Which I'll do it as soon as I get to the Wheel of Fortune $1986 showdown as soon as possible. Right now, I'm currently opening this thing up. So there you go. Let's see here. VidBOX. Is it open? Yes, it is open. There we go. And keep in dock. Let me see if this thing gonna work. Oh, and one thing I need to mention that I'm gonna plug this in order me to set it up. First things first, you need to plug this in right here, and this right here, and this right here. So, in between these three things, we need to, oh, we don't need that. Well, we'll be right back, because after, yeah, sorry about that, everyone. Let me type in my code, wrap things up. Okay, there we go. Sorry about that, everyone. So far, we got a step to do. Step 1. Select your device. Well, I got a VCR right there, which is a good thing. So, I may have to do this anyway. Step 2. We got RCA done, so let's do that. Step 3. Be sure to connect your capture box. Yes, I'm going to plug it in now. I was about to talk to the audience about that, and suddenly, the audience was supposed to tell me that, fortunately, that I was gonna plug this in case I want to do it. You know, just saying. Move. Yo, I have to open this up. There we go. Got it. And connect this thing in. It's take a few minutes or so. Okay, there we go. I got this. And, let me plug it in real quick. Let me see. And of course, plug this in so that way you can put the VCR somewhere in here. Put that over here. There we go. If it works or not, I got this out of the way. We got, oh, the range has to be 3 hours. Oh. Not to worry though, but I'm going to record like less than 3 hours. Because I recorded most of the tapes like 6 hours long, because it depends though. I'm sorry to say, but I don't have the tapes that are more than 3 hours long. Less than 3 hours long. I'm sorry to say that, but I'm gonna record tapes that are more than 3 hours, but I will edit them eventually, though I doubt it. Then again, it depends. We also need to see what happens. 3-hour long tapes. We also need to find a tape that will be dubbed by the time this happens. If so, I'm happy. Well, anyways, that wraps up for this unboxing video and setup video. Thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for the next one, which is going to be the special dubbing video on my Vimeo video. It all depends, but how long it will be taking me. But until next time, this is LukeJ62895's saying goodbye. Peace out, baby. We got more to be, speak guys very soon. But until then, the Jeff was saying out. See ya.